Alright friends, in this video topic, again we'll discuss the same conversion concept, but this time we have to convert our My Account HTML page layout to My Account component file. Let's go back to editor. So far inside this course, we had done lots of conversions from HTML page layouts to the React component files. If I talk about the pages, so successfully we have converted our home page HTML layout to home component, and we had converted our product layout, single product layout. Then we had converted our cart layout, checkout layout, and finally inside last video we had seen the concept of my orders. Now the next point where we have to work with the conversion of HTML layout to the component files, and that is for my account. And then after we have one more page left, and that is called authentication, which is going to contain the layouts of login and sign up page. And in this video, I will discuss the conversion of my account HTML page layout to my account component file. So for that, let's go back to a src folder, pages folder, and here we have my account component file. So right now we can see that only we have this static content, that is hello my account. So before doing any conversion for this component, first thing first, what basically my account component is. So as we know that we are creating a headless store, so obviously there is a process of login and sign up. So after login, what the user has the information like first name, last name, the email value. So all those personal emails will fetch by using our WooCommerce or WordPress APIs. So after getting all these personal informations after login, we have to put all these informations to this my account component file. So this file is basically like this layout is basically to show all about the personal details of logged in user. Let's go back to browser. So to create our my account layout, which is right now a static value like a static message. So to show or create a layout, let's go to a GitHub repository called github.com/OWT hub. Click then on repositories. So here we have a repository called Headless Store HTML files. Now in this files list, also we can see a file called myaccount.html. Simply here we can see some HTML code. Let's copy, click on this copy button, code copied. Let's go here, remove this h1 tag and paste all those HTML code. Now next after this, let's remove these comment lines from this HTML. So I'm removing from here. Let's remove from here, and I will see one more here. Let's remove. So successfully, we have removed all comment lines. Now next, let's do some formatting. So here, let's do some formatting with this HTML code. And next after this, I will replace this class keyword with the class name keyword. So simply select to replace all the occurrences of this class equals to double quotes. Just copy Control C, Control H, and I want to replace this class with this class name keyword. And successfully, we have replaced all those occurrences. Now next, as you can see that here we have the inline CSS. So instead of using inline CSS, I want to prefer our object value. So here it will be display equals to none. Save these changes. Let's open this user info. And now you can see that inside this user info div, here we have a form tag, and inside this form tag here we have label tag, and also it is containing for attribute. But as we know that inside React application, for is a keyword. So here to use this for keyword, we have to use HTML4 keyword. So simply let's select this for keyword equals to double quotes Control H, and I want to replace this for keyword with HTML4 keyword. So it will be small HTML capital F, and here let's click on this button. So successfully we have replaced all those four attribute from this HTML4 attribute. Save these changes. And one more thing, like here we have read only, but as we can see that it is containing two words like read and only. So if any attribute is containing the two pairs of words, so in that case it will be in camel case. So read only, so read is okay, but for only O will be capital. So what basically I have to do, let's copy this read only, then go here for this email field, put it here, and for this username, put it here. Save these changes. Let's go back to browser. And now we can see that let's go and reload. There is no error inside console. And here, if I click on this my account, and now we can see that inside this my account layout, here we have the informations of logged in user like name, email, and username. But right now, this is only a static HTML. What basically we have converted from HTML layout to this my account React component. But later on, whenever if I call our WordPress APIs, so by using WordPress APIs after login, we have to fetch all these informations and dynamically we have to put inside all these input boxes. So successfully, now we have converted one more layout and that is my account layout of this headless store. In the next video, I'll discuss that how to create the layout of this authentication page which is going to contain the login page as well as the registration page from where any user can register into this headless store. So for this interesting course, interesting video, please hit the like button to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Now let's meet to our next amazing video. So for this session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.